Hello everyone, my name is Lorenzo Fiato, and today I will present my Capstone project, called CODEXPLAIN. This project is an AI-assisted code review tool designed for Python programs. The main idea of this project is to improve how developers, especially beginners, understand the results of code analysis tools. To begin, I want to give some context about code review and why it's important. Code review is a fundamental activity in software development. Developers use it to examine code, find bugs, and improve quality before the code is used in production. It also helps maintain coding standards and makes the code easier to read and maintain over time. In professional environments, code review is done constantly, and it is considered one of the most important practices to ensure software reliability. However, even though the idea of code review is simple, it is not easy to learn. It requires experience and it also requires understanding technical concepts. For beginners, this can be very difficult. They often see problems in their code, but they don't understand what those problems mean or how to fix them. So even if tools or systems detect issues, the real challenge is understanding them. To help with this, developers use automated tools called static analysis tools. These tools analyze code without executing it. For example, Python focuses on code quality and style, Bandit detects security vulnerabilities, and Radon measures complexity. These tools are very accurate and reliable, and they are widely used in both industry and education. They allow developers to detect many issues quickly and consistently. However, these tools have a major limitation. Their output is often very technical and difficult to interpret. They provide warnings, codes, and short descriptions, but they do not explain clearly what the problem means or how to fix it. This creates a gap between detecting a problem and understanding it. As a result, many beginners cannot fully benefit from these tools. To address this issue, many people started using artificial intelligence tools to explain code. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate explanations in natural language. They can describe what the code does and explain problems in a way that is easy to understand. This makes them very useful, especially for learning and education. However, these tools also have limitations. Most of them do not run real static analysis tools. Instead, they analyze code as text and try to reason about it. Because of this, the results are not always accurate or verifiable. They can miss important issues or generate incorrect explanations. So again, we have a trade-off: accuracy versus usability. My project is designed to solve this problem by combining both approaches. The idea of CODEXPLAIN is to combine static analysis tools with artificial intelligence. The static tools are responsible for detecting problems, ensuring technical correctness. The AI is responsible for explaining those problems in a clear and structured way. This approach keeps the reliability of traditional tools while improving usability. I chose Python as the main programming language for this project. There are several reasons for this choice. First, Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in both industry and education. Second, it has a strong ecosystem, especially for static analysis tools and artificial intelligence. Another important reason is that Python makes it easy to integrate external tools and process structured data like JSON. This is very useful in this project because I need to combine outputs from different tools. So overall, Python allows the system to be flexible easy to extend, and suitable for future improvements. The system follows a modular design. There are separate components for input validation, tool execution, data processing, and output generation. This separation makes the system easier to maintain, test, and extend in the future. One important design decision was to normalize the output of different tools. Each tool produces results in a different format, so the system converts them into a unified structure. This structure includes information such as line number, message, security level, and code context. This makes the results consistent and easier to process, and it also follows future integration with AI models. To improve the explanations, the system also extracts the code context around each issue. This means it shows the line where the problem occurs along with nearby lines. This context helps the AI generate better explanations because it understands the issue within the code. The system also includes error handling. It validates input files, handles failures of external tools, and avoids crashes. For example, even if one tool fails, the others still run. This ensures that the system remains robust and usable in different situations. In this project, artificial intelligence is integrated using the OpenAI API, which allows the system to communicate with a language model like ChatGPT. The system sends structured information, such as detected issues and code context, to the model using a secure API token. A key decision was to control the interaction carefully. The AI does not analyze raw code independently, but instead receives processed and validated data from the static analysis tools. This ensures that explanations are based on real, verified issues. Additionally, the AI component is optional. The system can function without it, which improves flexibility and allows users to choose between purely technical output and enhanced explanations. Now, by clicking this link and navigating to my GitHub repository, I will show you how the system works in practice. So this is the GitHub repository with my project, CODEXPLAIN, and the user can either download it or clone it. So I will open a PowerShell window and I'm gonna download the project using Git. And then I will move into the project folder using the change directory command. Next, I will create a virtual environment. And then I will proceed to activate it. After activating it, I will install all required dependencies. Now all the required tools like Pylint, Bandit, and Radon are installed. And now I'm going to proceed to run the program without the use of AI with the following command. Python, then run review, which is the main file of the project. and then I will put the file that I want to analyze. In this case, I'm going to use samples test, which is a sample file already present in the project. So here's the output from the analysis tools. Pyrint shows code quality issues, Bandit shows security problems, and Radon shows code complexity. As you can see, it showed results, but the AI explanation was skipped because no API key was provided. So let's fix that. To enable AI, I will set an API key. At this point, normally you would restart the terminal, but I'm going to continue here. And now I'm going to run the program again with AI enabled. So again, Python, run review, and the file I want to analyze. And now we see the same issues, but with AI explanations. The system explains the problem, the cause, and the possible solutions for every single finding. And this makes the results easier to understand, especially for beginners. So this is CODEXPLAIN, a tool that combines reliable static analysis with simple AI explanations. Now let's analyze what we saw in the demonstration. As we saw, the system first produces raw output from the analysis tools. This output is accurate but difficult to understand. When AI is enabled, the system adds explanations that describe the problem, its cause, and possible solutions, improving accessibility and helping users understand the results more effectively. The system follows a modular design. There are separate components for input validation, tool execution, data processing, and output generation. This separation makes the system easier to maintain, test, and extend in the future.